YouTube is moving, and I'm looking to see if I've got a clear connection, and I do. So welcome to YOLO Hour. Here we are again. I just explained to the TikTok live guys and girls that this is not we don't do any research, no due diligence, no nothing. All we do is we just jump the green morning woods, the afternoon woods. Really, we're looking for green candles. We do FOMO into not financial advice. You can and will lose money, and it is literally legalized gambling. We should not be doing that in any state, right? So with that being said, let's get going. We are moving. You can see my options. We're printing this morning. I got up to like 850, and now not so much. So we're gonna move through here. I do use Webull. I do paper trade, just so you know, and I do that because of the wash sell rules. So with that being said, we'll get this out of the way and we'll get going here. Let's find some rockets today. Real quick, the market, the macro has, it is, well, the Dow's intraday high. It's just barely off, and it basically going sideways. We had a kind of a sell-off going. We found a bottom, and now we are moving back up, and with a little bit of a lip down here going into the last hour. So with that said, let's do it. Let's do what we came here to do and get to it. Let me find my rocket maker here, and here we go. We're up. Looking at AXDX has turned sideways. We're not going to get on that one. We're going to jump the MMTLP. I don't know if that's the one that's the MAP preferred shares. They are grinding. Had a good day today. That was where cannot trade that. It's on my list too. All right, moving through here fairly quick. Look at live going straight up. We are fully erect. We're going live. LIFE. Let's go. Let's go. I like, we have seen it move before. We'll take 50 shares. Boom. Let's go. Get that moving out of the way. See what our fill is there. I feel like we're probably gonna get a bad fill. No, we got exactly the fill that we needed, and God, it's a rocket. When did that take off? So it's gone from literally 30 minutes ago till now. It's gone up 10%, continuing to rise. We may even go bigger there, buy another 50 for 100 shares. And really blow up my P&L if it turns back the wrong way. It will absolutely blow up my P&L. YouTube, we got people joining on YouTube. And hello. We are moving. We're in LIFE. LIFE is going directionally bullish. It is completely parabolic. How much you made? Made 130 yesterday. The record's to 2,500 from a guy named Walker that we'll jump on later, I'm sure. Right now we're in LIFE. We just started app 11. It's got some good news today. The price target was raised, and now it is wanting to run a little bit. Is not parabolic though, so we're going to hold up on that one. Continue to move down here. That was app. Look at PRQR is turned back. It's done the pivot and the pullback. We'll see how long that pullback lasts. We need to jump back on here because I saw another one real close there. There's live still going straight. The F up, love it. In fact, I'm going to check my P&L real quick. We are down $2. I don't know how that fill has me down. I should be green in that. What's going on with this? There's app. What was the one? PRQR. Does it want to run some more? It's only up 3%. It's cleared the tower, the intraday high. Kind of volume we got low volume. Again, we've had low volume all week. It's really been quite interesting, the low volume, because October is typically the second best month in equities, typically, but we're not seeing that in the first week here. What do you use it, bro? I'm in YOLO Hour, but I do use in YOLO. I use Webull, but I'm on paper trade, Lewis, because I've got wash sale rules I've got to watch out for. A lot of these stocks pump all the time, and so literally last year I lost $17,000 in write-offs. This year I believe I'm above $25,000. So my CPA has said you got to go to wash trade. So that's what I do. When I actually day trade, I use Thinkorswim. So there you go. But I also have two other businesses. So just so you know, that's where my head's at. All right. Moving CRXT, XR is looking good at 5%, still grinding up. We got ASND turning up. ASND is one we're going to jump on here. ASND, it's just turned. So we're going to go 50 shares here as well. Knock it out. We are even at Life, and Life is not giving me the kind of story that I want to tell my kids here. We're down 3, and I got 100 shares. This thing was going parabolic. We'll see if it goes back to being parabolic. I just cannot lose sight of where I am in the P&L though. Yesterday, I think we got down about $24. We made it all the way back up to 180, and then we kind of crashed back to about 120. IDT looks like it could run, looks like it has run. Turned up right at 2 o'clock, well, a little bit before, about 1:40 my time, 2:40 Eastern time, and has done the pivot and the pullback. We're moving though, moving through the lower cap stocks. The bottom, ADTX has got to clear the tower, and it's getting close, and it's grinding right now. Good to see ADTX, as we had called that one out early this, what is this one going? What's up to the staff? STAF going hard. Let's go hard on STAF. We're going to go, I don't really, this one has done me a head fake before. I'm going to go 10 shares there. I'm already down 21 ASND. What is up? We got a bad fill. Not good. Bad fill. Actually need to reset this account so I know what I've got today. Let's confirm this. Let's go back. It's going to show 0. I need to ASND. We're going to jump back in it. Boom. Give me the 50 again. Let's see what it does. I should have cleared it before, but I did not. We're going to get an STAF. STAF. Let's get in there. Jump on that one. We're going to go a little bit bigger on this one, going 50. I'm not feeling staff, but I think that we can get a good, decent fill here. We are about to clear the tower there. 184. Ooh, it's getting close. We got to clear that. That was a pre-market tower too, where it turned back. What was that? Is this Life still? Life is not a pivot. It's done this 3 times, so I'm going to get back into Life really quick. Just a smaller position though. LIFE. I'm going to jump back in. I'm going to buy about 20 shares is all. Nothing too much. Jump on that one. Let's get some fills. I'm not getting filled much. And let's get this going. That reset might have killed it because I want to know where I'm at. I didn't want to have 60 on the board without earning it today. All right, ASND is doing its thing, going up. It should remain going up. DATS is up 45% today and still wanting to run. And we have to watch the sell-off in DATS. But DATS, not a rocket, but I'm going to take a little bit of a position here just because I think that not only will it grind, but it could turn into a rocket. It's just so far up today. Now, what we have to do is watch the sell-off too, because clearly the sell-off was on just after midday, and we're going to be watching the sell-off. In fact, a lot of the Red Sox, we are seeing sell-off. A lot of the negative stocks, that is, we're seeing a lot of sell-offs, and now we want to see XBio. We love that stock, but it's up 3.5. It looks like it could turn over at any time. It's not directionally bearish. NM wants to run. It has not cleared the intraday high. We'll wait on it. Lex did this to us yesterday. I'm not trusting that stock right now. GBDC, the Bitcoin tracking stock, is grinding up. It's up 1% today. It's good to know. That means your Bitcoin's probably up. That means your crypto's probably up. So that's very, very good to see. We're moving here, moving through here. CLRK, RXT. Let me do something really quick. Fire it up. We need to Genie. We had a run yesterday on Genie. Let me see at the P&L. P&L down 24, not good. ASND has went the wrong way, playa. What's up? Gosh dang. I'm not gonna close it yet. Let's see what this does. I cannot close that. I'm down 26 already, and we're 7 minutes in. That's bad. That is very bad. But I traded 50 shares. Clearly, that was a bet that I should not have made. But that's why we're here in YOLO. If it were real money, I'd probably close out. So we saw AVTE run yesterday for a little bit. The stock sucks today. God, 13,000 shares is all it's been traded according to Robinhood. Let's see. Let's run through here. Looking, BITF is grinding up. MMAT is now, it was positive like 5%. Now it is now back to, went negative. Now it's back to being positive. ENDP is grinding hard, up 11%. Good to see that. That one may turn into a rocket. That is, hey, we got right here. We may have jumped in on that one, but we did not. And I'm glad we didn't. Life looks like it may have turned around. Did I get a fill on Life at all? I did. ASND turned around. We're going to let it run for a little while. We're up $6 now. We have directly turned around from 34 down, it was 24 down to 10 up. So that's $34 turn around. You'd love to see it. You'd love to have it. That's what a little patience will do. I need to understand that more. ASND, we're in that one. Just making sure we're in ASND, and it's up 10. It is stalling out. It looks like it might be stalling out, but we'll continue to move with it. IDT, we love it. Let's go. IDT likes to go parabolic in power hour. We've seen it mucho times. So I need to get out of DATS. DATS is just going the freaking wrong way, and it is killing my P&L. Get out of that. Life is, it's got to, I mean, when you go that fast, you got to pull back a little bit. DATS are out of. We got a big green candle in ASND, and staff is, wouldn't say it's printing, but it's doing more than most. What is, come on, Life, get out of the pullback. All right, we've got a little bit of a green candle there. We're moving back to the rocket grind. Seeing if we can find SLCA Silica. I believe that's Silica Sands is grinding. That may actually turn into a rocket. Would love to see it turn into a rocket. RNW, we haven't traded this one before. RNW, we're on that one as well. RNW, we'll be taking profits pretty quickly here. I like that we just got in on this one. It looks like it's an energy stock, so it could actually run. IDT is treating us well. Life is not treating us well. Life does not know what it wants to do. It's got the pullback, but can it get the big green? We need some volume, more volume behind it. ASND is going to get that green count. It's fighting. It is sitting there, though. I'm going to take profits there. I need to get off to a good start. We're up 7, and I got a semi-bad fill on RNW, but we'll continue to move up. I do think the RNW, the worst case it's going to do, even if it pulls back a little bit, it's still going to grind up. So that's what we're counting on for sure. App, did it pull up? Man, you almost have to get App, but it's a heavy stock though. APP. It's got a good. I really think it's going to turn into a rocket. So I'm going to get into it a little bit early. We got to get a fill. Life is, boy, it's just sitting there. It's just battling. Bulls and Bears are battling. IDT is giving me 10. We're at $14. I want to let that thing run just a little while longer. We're at App's going to run a little bit too. It's not parabolic yet, but I think it will be. Huma may want to run here. Let's look at Huma. No, it's turned down, and the volume in that one's horrible today. We traded Huma on the channel for many weeks, and a lot of people started shorting it when it went the wrong way. It actually made out with a bit of a profit. I never did. ADTX, boy, you almost have to. It's so close. You just got to do it. I'm about to be ADTX. I'm about to be heavy in stocks here. Got to go with that one. That didn't have a strong conviction. Life is going the wrong way. We're out of Life. We're done with Life. That's 2 head fakes from Life. We didn't catch it at the right time, and that's my bad. Should have. RNW. Not. Look at IDT printing money. What's up? Apple Oven. It's grinding. ADTX got a good fill. Let's see if it continues to go up. IDT got it's still printing there. We're gonna let it print a little bit more. Just like the Fed is, let that money printer go burr. Let's move through here because we hadn't even got to the bottom of this thing. IDT grinding, just like we see in the Webull candles. What was that one? NM wants to go. What was that one? Lex wants to go, but it's not. Hadn't cleared the tower, and we had a head fake in that one. Look at RXT. Looks like it might turn over. PCT headed the right way. WTI headed the right way. Do I want to jump in WTI? No, it's offshore. We've got to get to the bottom, guys. We're missing stocks. Let me move to here very quickly. We'll get back up to the top. Boom. Let's do, I thought I saw one there. I did not see a rocket. I saw a grinder. We see a lot of the negative stocks grinding up. Again, you've got to clear the AVTE. We're in that. It looks like it's turned back, though. Hilton is doing well. Hilton, by the way, what's the Hilton? Long Hilton at 84, 85-ish. That's where I'd be long at Hilton. Just letting you know. I did some charting last night. FGen looks like it could run. CLSD wants to run. We may come back to that when we get to the bottom here. Look at the APO chart, up 3%, but it grinding hard. Seen a lot of good stocks that have turned up directionally bullish. None going the parabolic route, though, just yet. What was that one? RLAY pumped today and is looking like it might pump again, but it's got a high bar to clear. All right, now we're at the bottom. Let's move back up. Start taking out some of these stocks we think they could run. RETA might could run. Looking here. Eyes. No, it turned back. GOED. It's got to clear the tower, though. What's the tower? 324 to 322. It's got to clear the second tower first. We get back to the top now. Moving down. I did see one at the bottom that I missed. I want to get it, so we'll get back down there. App is still moving. Let's check the P&L real quick. ADTX says, oh, wow, we got to get out of that one. Thank God I didn't take a huge position there. ADTX, big down, falling off a cliff type of candle. But IDT still printing up to $15. Love to see it. We still have a green, we've had 3 green candles. Now we've got the first red candle. We're falling. I'm going to close out, take some profits there. I'm up 13 bucks. Let's see if we can hold out on that one. App loving, still grinding. Renew is zeroed out, and staff just doesn't have a lot of volume. I'm not sure how much that's really going to hurt me, even if it does turn negative from our fill. So with that being said, we're moving through here. BYSY now positive again. It's a very odd looking chart. ASND, we were playing around with that one. IDT, would love to see it, although we are out of that stock now. If you're still in that stock, let me know if it's still running. Walker, what's up? CCXI just took my short 39, looking for a timber. Yeah, what is CCXI doing right now? Is it turnover? Oh yeah, that's up 100%. Woo! You're shorting at 39.50. Well, that was a good short for a while, and now it's back up to 39. So you're at 39.47 per the Robinhood. But you know how how accurate is a Robinhood when it comes to a few cents. We've had a good P&L. We've had a good start. We're up 14. We were down 24. So we've flipped the script. We're 38 bucks and we're up 14. Look at ZNTL one. Ooh, we missed it. We missed ZNTL. It may turn back up, but we will continue to monitor that one. Good luck in that CCXI short. I mean, being up. Look at app, man. Still grinding up. Being short CCXI with it being up 100. Gosh, man, you would think that it would turn over and sell off being up that much. We're not seeing that, although what we're seeing in the you see it there on the screen. What we're seeing is we're seeing that the stocks are now just going sideways, right? So that's the key. IDT, we jumped on that one, it turned back. We got out of that one. ZNTL. Do we take a position in ZNTL? What have I got? Staff and RNW, big candle. We got to get out. We got to get out of that one. I cannot have 3 red candles and live with myself. So let's continue through here. looking for that big green morning wood. We often see, let's just call it the afternoon wood now. And you know what? Happy Friday to everybody out there in YouTube land and TikTok land as we continue to move through here. I tried to get the phone closer for TikTok to the actual screen. I'm not sure how that's really going to work out. I'll probably ask, look at PCT. It is so close to wanting to run. I'm seeing some stocks starting to turn over though. Look at Candy. Oh, the Candy's even about now. It may want to run. It likes to chase those kids. Candy in October. You can't beat it. What was that one grind? AVTE. We were in that one. It kind of petered out. It's still grinding. Hilton's still grinding. Wow, up 2.5%. That's good for the hotel chain. I'm not sure. I was looking at CLSD. We gotta go. CLSD. We gotta jump on it. Let's go. CLSD. Gotta get a D in there. Clear side equity. Let's go. We're going 50 on that. I think we've caught this one. And CLSD will run. The volume today is so low. That's been like the story of the week. What the F, man? So apparently the institutional investors are not back in town. They should be, but they're not because I'm not seeing the type of volume that we should see, especially with October being your second best month for stocks. What was that turn up? Staff is turned down. We're out of staff. I'm jumping out of staff, guys. I just don't like to look at where's my fill on the other. Where's my fill? Did I not get a fill on the last stock? Damn it. FinV. You know what? That's the thing with Webull. Maybe it takes a while to fill. We'll see. Hopefully it gets me a good fill. Robinhood's got the slippage though. You just can't. If you're clearly you're not day trading on Robinhood. You'd be stupid. But number two is swing trades. You can do EBSB. We saw that one yesterday go a little bit parabolic, more of a head fake than anything else. Walker, you seeing anything else that I'm missing? I'm not getting down to the bottom very quickly here. I'm trying to move through here. ZNTL is the one that I did not get a fill on ZNTL. Wow. ZNTL. I'm gonna buy. Let's see what I can't buy much now because we kind of missed it. NAOV grinding hard 3%. Looking at some of the old meme stocks, EYEG is directionally sideways and just gone back positive. We're seeing that kind of play out where stocks were negative, then positive, now negative, now they're positive again. So clearly you don't see that very often where they go from negative to positive twice in one day, but it can happen, especially with your smaller and micro stocks, right? RXT grinding, G-Box. We've seen it before, but it looks like it's about to turn over. WTI, we're going to take that one, and it is directionally sideways. It's not doing anything. We're just glad we didn't get into that one, although it is holding gains. Look at Candy. Could not clear. It cleared positive, but then it did a pullback. So we'll wait on that one to see what it does. See if we can get down here pretty quickly to the bottom. Look at AVTE still grinding. We're out of that position though. All the big grinders, we are actually moving. CLSD just turned down. What are we looking at? CLSD. It's got a red candle on the 2-minute. ZNTL, the sideways, and Apple Oven sideways. Let's jump out of that one. I just don't see it. And I also need to get out of CLSD. Don't do this to me. I'm up 10. I was up 14. I'll keep trading here. I'll keep trying to find the YOLO rockets. Only working CCXI. Got in at 30 long to 40 all day now. Short, see if it drops back to 37.5. Yep. I mean, it looked like it jumped in pre-market, and so you said that you got in on 30 and it went to 40. So that's not bad. It's 25%, 30%. So very good. Look at GoDecker. Might want to run. It's got to clear that tower. And it has not done that. Eyes has turned back. That is an absolute pivot and pullback on eyes. EYES. Look at it there. Hut wants to run. Oh, I thought it wanted to run. What is up with the crypto mining stock? Dang it. We got faked out on that one. I thought for sure that was a runner. Damn it. Looking hard now as we go through here. I've got to get to the bottom, man. I've got so many stocks. If you're counting at home, it's 410 ish is what I've got. By the way, my FCX is still a trade. It printed yesterday. I got out at 168% up. Felt good about that trade. Still feel good about OXY. Oxy go long at 33, and Marathon Oil MRO go long at 14.5. And we like charts that go up here. We don't like to see the charts that are just directionally bearish, and we're just hoping for a Reddit pump, right? They're just ugly charts. I get a lot of people like that, and I get why they like that. Hut is just what a fake that was. Moving through here now. Fold has done the same thing. It's lipped out at the end there. MicroStrategy's done the same thing. Look at what we're at the bottom. Why is the bottom stocks always red? I don't understand. What did ARK do today? ARK they're all down except one, and that one is just barely positive, if at all. So that's interesting. Hut has not turned, although we're going to look at it again. Yeah, it's definitely turned the wrong way. What are we doing wrong here? We are up 11. CLSD has got a green candle, and I don't know what ZNTL is. Looks like it's directionally sideways. We'll continue to hold those two. Move back to the top. Walker, I'm looking for CEI. I've got that option on CEI. The asymmetric. Look at RDU. RDUS. That it's pumped twice this week. So, oh gosh, guys are yawning. It's been a long day. Well, it was a long night too. So, looking at what are we doing here? What are we doing? ENVB. Waited on that thing for a long time. You know what? There's a guru that kept calling us out. It did go 8% up, but it was 30% down. Look at that, 45% down the last month, and the dude was calling it well back. Yeah, it peaked in September 9th. Good God, you cannot trust gurus on here. Look, all I do is just tell you when to get long and when to go short. Now here we go. Silicon, I told you it might clear. Yeah, it has cleared tower. SLCA, we're jumping in. SLCA going hard too. I like that it's an oil field stock. SLCA, it might be a midstream stock. That's what they put down into the ground to open up the rock, up the shale. That's what silica is. That opens up the shale or the rock underneath the surface, so that the crude can leak out. If you don't know what silica is, now you do. Our app has gone the wrong way. We are at an app, right? ZNTL, sir, playa, you going the wrong way, and you killing my P&L right now. Get out of here. All right, so I'm betting a lot on SLCA, silica. Seen a lot turnover. Let's look at what the macro's doing. Yeah, we're still sideways. So it's not turning over. Although we are seeing some stocks do that though. That's the crazy part, right? And continue to run through here as we move through here. Looking. ASND did turn down and did a full. It's almost going to draw down. So But it did the pivot and the pullback, and we are no longer looking at that one. ZNTL, tell me that's the one that we got out of. Yes, we did. That was the one that pulled back, and we lost about $4 on it. And I need to keep my pizza money. I'd like to get over 10. If I can get 20 today, it'd be great. NM not wanting to run. It was wanting to run. Danae wants to run, but it is it's still down $1, 1.65%. So we'll have to hold off on that one. GBDC still doing its thing. ENDP. Yeah, ENDP. We've seen the head fake before. It looks like it has not cleared the tower yet, although it is grinding. Oh, I like this one. ENDP. We're going to jump back ENDP because I think that we had it like on, maybe it was Monday? Monday we may have had it. We'll go 50. I think it's just now turning up and grinding. We need... we're down to $6.90. CLSD is directionally bearish. Did a pivot and a pullback, and that is not what we'd like to see. It did not get a good feel on SLCA, but I'm going to stay with it. Look at Endo. Get it, brother. Play it. Do your thing. That's what we're looking for. As we move through here, faster this time to get down to the bottom because I think that we're missing stock. You know. When you got the 400 stocks, as I've mentioned twice now, you got to get there pretty quickly. Look at DE. That's John Deere. I don't know if John Deere goes like parabolic, green morning. I just don't see it, right? Just too big of a stock. Although it is a Kathy Wood special. It looks like LVTX may run here. What kind of volume? 26%. I need to take them off my list. It's just not enough volume for us to mess with, and they're now off the list. So now we're at we're just at 409 now. All right, moving through here very quickly. Staff has gone sideways. Make sure you got a bad feel at ENDP, but we're just down a buck. Sometimes you just gotta look at CRCT. Just cleared and went positive. Not sure if that's a tradable stock right this or for not tradable for YOLO. We like things that are going up, going parabolic, going ballistic, like a freaking rocket. ENDP, we're in that one. It's still, it looks like it's going to turn and run and go parabolic. It just wants to. EBSB grinding. It's only up $1. It looks like it's up 10, but it's not. But it's grinding though, and that's good to see as well. As we move through here, we got RXT grinding, PCT. We already grabbed that one. It did a little head fake on a CLSK. Is now directionally bearish. If you're in that stock, you may want to get out of that and take your gains for. All right, look at Candy. Now Candy did not deliver. Candy did the pivot and the pullback. It's not a drawdown though, but it's definitely a pullback. So we'll have to continue to watch that one. I got to get. Whoa, what was that? Did I miss one that was moving? That's John Deere though, man. Boy, that's expensive stock too. Tough on the YOLO hour. Let's look at the P&L. I continue to lose money. ENDP. I thought you were gonna print some money, and you're not printing right now. And Silica, doing the same. What's up, guys? I'm just getting bad fills for the most part, but we'll take it. It's far better than the Robinhood fills for sure that we used to get. As we move through here, there's Candy again. Maybe it turns up more. I'm gonna have to wait on that one. But we have seen Candy run. It hadn't been the past week though. Excuse me. Yana, man, what is up with me? Yeah, I stayed up late last night. So ask yourself. I stayed up late, and B Cove. Now B Cove had a insider buy. That's what started it going green today. I've never seen it actually take off though. It's grinding. I bet it turns over. I'm gonna try it. BCOV. I'm not real high conviction on BCOV, and Endo is pulling back, so I'm gonna get out of that one before it completely f's up my P&L. Again, we're up $7. We were up 10. Let's see if we can continue to get down there towards the bottom. Got to get that magic towards the bottom. That's what we're looking for. A little bit of magic today, boys and girls. If anybody is a teal out there, Anik, or we're looking for a little bit of who looking for Josh. Look at that PCT. PCT may run again. That would be a wash sale rule, right? So I took a loss, got out. Now if I get back in, I can't write the loss off. That's your wash sale rule in a nutshell. But it really actually expands over a month. All right, you would think LBPH is going ballistic and it's going up, but it does not have the volume. It never does. ORGO, Orgo has turned over. Maps has turned directionally over as well, all headed south. So is FGen, is headed way south. Wow, I just fell off a cliff. Just APO is headed south. And now we are looking, oh man, looking for that parabolic. I'm just not seeing it. I'm seeing just, is there a sell-off going on? Yes, there's a slight sell-off starting. We are in a downtrend on the macro. We're 34 minutes in, but we're grinding. The macro is in a downtrend, so if there's anything that's bucking the downtrend, that's probably a fairly good stock. Just letting you know, or it's just having a day. Like when I say having a day, it had a big catalyst behind it that continues to let it print money. So as we move back up through these stocks that were from our, they've pumped before, they're Reddit stocks, they're insiders that have pumped these stocks before too, and that's where most of these stocks come from. We also have some ETFs in there. By the way, funny timing. The FRAC ETF, FRA, what is K? It might be C, but FRAC or FRAK. The ETF is like literally at an all-time, getting very close to an all-time high. They're shutting that ETF down next Friday. If you do get in that for a couple of days, which you could do, stay long, baby, because that thing is moving. So that's got all your oil and gas stocks mixed with, which are the production stocks, but they're mixed with midstream too. So that's FRAC, I believe. So FRAC is the ETF. I tell you to get long, but you only got a week left. And the only things that are moving right now, commodities, energy, and financials. So, and I'll give you three banks really that are moving. Look at PCT. Did it turn up? Nope, it turned back. Now here's three banks I really like. One is Berkshire Hathaway. Did you know it's 15% of the financial ETF, which I believe is XLF. I believe it's XLF. But my point is, it's 15% of that. You can get long there at 285. It may already be past that. I forget. 285. Price target 430. You gotta love that. Price target. That's a good risk reward stock there. 150 points, 145 points. RNW. Is it gonna run again? After the pullback, we're not printing. So RNW. Let's see what we got. Just one more time. I'm not gonna go big. Just the 10 is fine. I don't have high conviction in this one because it's already head faked us once, which basically just means that people are letting it run at the RNW. Love to see it. Hey, I'll jump back in a stock, but know out there that if you jump back in a stock and you've taken a loss in the month, you are going. It's a wash sale rule, which means that you cannot write off the loss, and that becomes a big issue, especially when you trade the exact same stocks. CRCT. Oh, do we want to play with this one? CRCT has, for like last month, is like every day. There were literally executives sizing up on CRCT, and I'm not kidding you. It was one of the funnier things. Oh, is that a red candle? It's a big red candle too. Dang it. Let's shrink it up a little bit. Did it not clear the tower? I thought it did. Yeah, that must be postmark. Silica got a bad fill. We're up 6.5. We'll continue to move through here again, going back, hoping that those stocks, again, yeah, hope is not a strategy, just so you know. Hope is not a strategy. But in YOLO, it's not a strategy, but it's a thing. For sure. What? CRCT? I think CRCT is going to pull back. It's going to pivot and pull back, and we will jump out because we've seen it do it before. But yeah, it had a lot of insider buys last week. No, I'm sorry, last month. Last month had a lot of insider buys. Like it was being bought every other day by one of their executives or a director. All right, get back. Burke, get long at 285. That's Berkshire Hathaway. It's BRKB is the ticker. That's where you want to be. Silicon Valley Bank. I believe it's SVB is the ticker. I believe that's the ticker. SVB. Check it. Silicon Valley Bank. You got to get long at 665. Very expensive stock. But again, if you drop $100,000 on a $1 stock or a $600 stock, you want to be the one that moves the most. You make the exact same amount of money. All right. That is Silicon Valley Bank, long at 665. And Silvergate Bank, which is SI. It's a crypto bank, 175. We'll get it long at 175. And I'll probably have these out on a maybe on a TikTok later today or tomorrow, or just whenever I can find some time. HUT is still holding gains. Nice to see that the crypto mining stocks are holding gains. So is MicroStrategy, which is basically the crypto ETF right now, and we're at the bottom. Very good. So TRMD is directionally bearish. Bearish for sure. That's the one that pays 9% though. So if you can ever get it going the right way, because that's a Howard Marks stock, if you can ever get it going the right way, you'll get paid to hold a stock that's going up, right? 9% yield. Really, really incredible stuff there. That's TRMD if you're looking for a divvy stock. We are now moving up, back up the stack. We got Game. Now, Game did a little something for us yesterday. I don't know if it's going to do it today. Certainly doesn't look like it is, but we will continue to monitor that situation. CHX didn't do anything. Let me check the P&L, and we are getting our ass handed to us. I'm back down to 4. I have to jump out of silicon just to save some. RNW is good. We got a bad fill in CRCT, which always that stock has always done that to us. It looks like BCO is just sideways, but it's directionally. Well, it's not directionally yet, but it is. Let's just say I'm moving out of it. I've got to clear it. Got to keep that RN. Are we not in RNW? I thought we were. Yeah, we're at RNW. It should start to print here per the Robinhood little bitty chart that you get to look at. CXXX did it really nice for you. You must have known something. Is it selling off? Yeah, it's selling off. Well, I can't say it's selling off. It's definitely in a pullback, Walker. Just so you know, from what I can see. In fact, it's going to have some intraday support right here, where it's at now. So that if it clears 37.21 to the downside, watch it fall. It will absolutely fall off a cliff. And we have a big red candles going down. We are in a sell-off now. The sell-off is on, people. Just so you know, Walker. That was a good place bet. Really good bet, because the macro is in a sell-off, and when the macro is in the sell-off, we all know what happens. That is, the micro tends to follow. Did CLMT just try to jump back out at us after it head faked us? I don't know, but we are. Oh gosh, what the hell? All right, moving through here quickly. We want to see some players. Where are the players that want to jump off the screen at a ZH, looking like if it can clear the tower here, we might have a runner. We're at 1039. I'm going to jump in this one. ZH, I haven't seen this one run very often. ZH, it's a new one on me. What did that say? Zoo Lily? I don't even know what it said. So we're just going to take 10 shares there. Zoohee? What do I do? Online content community. Oh, well, that's great. Again, half these stocks, I don't even know what they do. All right. We need to move through here now. And get back to chasing the rockets, finding the FOMO, and hopefully find us maybe a stock or two that will hold over the weekend. That's not really my thing. But if you guys are diamond hands, maybe you'll find a stock you like that you have a high conviction in, and you'll make that happen. So with that, we got to find this magic. Got to go out and find the magic here. Where are the players that are pumping, getting that morning wood, that nice green parabolic candle is what we're looking for. It was so funny back in the day. That's what we used to call Bitcoin as well. Bitcoin's going parabolic, and it did, and it would, and it still can. But the word parabolic was way overused, though. Like every other sentence was, oh, well, parabolic, it's going parabolic. Look at that crypto, it's going parabolic. All right, a B Cove is just, it looks like it's gone down. I'm glad we got out of that one. We're seeing a sell-off now, so we really need to be a little bit more picky, if you would. A little bit more picky, although there's not a lot to pick from today as things are, well, the HUD's still grinding. Of course, I've said that 4 times today. Rita, what's up with Rita? The Margarita is it's grinding. You know, you got to give it to that stock. But again, we like stocks that go up. So we like the stocks that are grinding, like the Ritas. We don't like the MDIAs or the Palantirs that are, well, it's just down 1%. That's not terrible. And Tesla, still close to that $800 mark. All right. Moving up here. Oh my gosh, look at IONS just fell off a cliff. I know, dude, Jared, brother, that's like my 10th yawn. What am I doing? You know? I think I've yawned on YOLO Hour like maybe 3 or 4 times. It's my wife calling. She doesn't know I'm at YOLO Hour, apparently. Although I tell her every day about it. What else we see in B Cove? Just grinding. What are we in? I got to check the P&L. Got to fill. R&H is giving us a little bit of a boost here. We're at $5. It is parabolic. RNW has gone parabolic. A couple of candles going green. Not big, long green candles like we want, but 3 small FENG's going. Does it have enough? The volume sucks. I don't even know if we'll get. I don't know about this one. In fact, I think I'll take this one off the list because it just does not have the volume. Not the volume. I did it again, Jared. Am I like the first YouTuber to like, and I'm not even calling myself that I mean, that's got to be a record, like the 10th yawn, right? R&W still moving up, though. I mean, literally, it's got to be a record. At least the guys on TikTok, they just hear me go silent. Like, why is he not talking? What's going on here? Well, I'm not talking because my mouth's wide open, and it's because I'm trying to. Oh, look at CLMT went back to the. Let's go CLMT. It wants to run. We should have stayed with it, but you know what? Hindsight's 2020. Boom, boom. We're in it. Let's see if we can get a fill there. Let's see what the fill is in CLMT. Let's get that fill here. Come on. We saw it before. Now we got a big green candle that I don't want to miss out on. Keep moving. Keep it moving there. So this thing's gone from at 230. It was at 8%, and now it is at 21%. Wow. Wow. It's gone 12%. What is up? What is up with the Calment Specialty Products? Glad we saw it. Sir yawns a lot. It'd be a good screen name today for sure, which I'm pretty sure you're referring to. But anyway, all right, we're moving. TSP grinding. That may be one you want to keep overnight. TSP seems to have been done well for at least the last week. Continue to move. Look, whoa, do we have a TAL is about to go negative, and then that thing was up 4% today, 33% today. Sorry, when I looked at it on FinViz, and it's been a big meme stock. TAL. Watts Timber here from TikTok. Nice, brother. Thanks for showing up, Watts. We are. It's a better view from the YouTube side. I'll give you that. And if you like the YOLO Hour, it's a lot easier to play on the tube, if you would. Seeing a lot of green, seeing a lot of turnover now. Clearly, because that's what the macro markets are still doing. I'm guessing here, and they are. They are way down now. But you know, this is a normal thing. It's sell-offs at the end of the day when there's a lot of chop are normal, and especially on Fridays. We always look at AVTE though. We got to go with it. We got to go. It's what we're all about. AVTE. Even though we've done it did a head fake. I'll take 50 of that. Let's go. CLMT just went the wrong way. Good Lord. Son, what did you do to me? Get me out of that stock. Trade me out of the stock quickly. I was still going down. Oh my God. Now I'm down 14. Down 14 with 10 minutes. I was up 20. What has happened to me? And did I even get a fill at all? AVTE is trying to help me out. It's grinding up. RNW is now red, or turning red. It's done the pivot and the pullback, and that sucks. And so has ZH. AVTE is my only, could be one of my last hopes here. So we'll see what it does. It's still moving up. If somebody sees that moving down, let me know so I can save my P&L. I can't believe it just went down 14. Unreal. Especially when I was up 20. Damn it. That is called size positioning, or sizing, position sizing. And yeah, I did a very good job of that today. Clearly, as I need to verify the rockets before I go more than like 50 shares. But what is that one? I'm not getting on CRCT. It is only a head fake, and it may have a lot of insiders. But you know what? I think the insiders were trying to pump that stock. That's exactly what was going on last month. That had to be. I haven't seen its chart in a while. It's been a couple weeks. Looking for G-Box. No. Genie, no. Surface is barely even positive, but it's 2% now. It's good. It's a decent day for sure. It's better than being red down 5 like XERS is. AMTX directly sideways. UAVS, which used to be a darling Reddit meme stock, is directly sideways. Has that? Somebody was asking, what is AVTE here? Going back, oh my God, are you kidding me? Am I getting back into this? Oh, we're up 19. Oh, we're even. What is up? Come on, AVTE. We're back to even. AVTE is, it's killer. That's a killer. So that's what we like to call a killer. Up 19. And what's my fill on that? I've got 50 shares. So that's probably what's saving me here with a big, so we had to basically do what you do, the Vegas rule, double up to catch up. And that's what we did. I need to hold that or find me just another rocket fairly quickly here. Or a nice grinder that is looking to move, looking to really push it. But gosh, you're not seeing that a lot. Dang, I mean, it's tough to get a stock on the screen that's green, right? I mean, look at all these that are red now, and the ones that are green are, look at Alto selling off, UAVS is selling off, LBPH just fell off a cliff. AVT is printing cash money. Hilton is keeping gains, and it's still grinding. It's only up 2.5 though. What else we have? Come on, give me something good here. B Cove is grinding. Looks like it could fall at any moment though. Same with APO. A lot of good grinds in there. Moving through. Oh, what was that one? Hut. Gosh, how many times have I said hut like I'm playing football? Hut. You know, or where else do they say go? Wonder what the Go-Go's doing today, or the GoCo. Although is ARC directionally? Yeah, ARC's just falling off. Good Lord, just a sell-off got ARC. Ouch. Don't like to feel that way. Where is my P&L? It's stuck on 19. I could get out now and be even. Although the candle is pointing, it does not have the volume that we're looking for. Should I double down here? Let me double down on AVTE and see if we can push up. It's at 1750. Now it's going. Yeah, player, you're going the wrong way. I need you up 50. Come on. All right, we're going back up, right? Yes, because so we've gone to the bottom three times now. B Code is the grinder today. That thing's powerful today. I mean, it's just churning out, doing some printing. Let's see what else we're doing here. Candy. It's good in October, but not right now. It's just barely cleared into positive territory. RXT, guys, looks like it's going to turn over. If you're in that stock, I take profits before the weekend. GPX is just directly sideways, up 0.5%. What else? What else can we get into here? Where are my players at? Let me check my P&L because you know what happens. Yeah, it's going the wrong way. We're going to get out. We're going to close that one. And we're going to preserve. We're only down $4 with 5 minutes left. What is up? Come on, players. Give me one. Just give me one. I just need one more good, decent rocket. One decent erection is all we're looking for here. Can somebody find me one? Jared Watts, find me something. You guys out there looking? Gosh, CIO was up like 5%. It is now just gonna. It might not even finish positive. I hate to see this kind of sell off, but geez Louise, this is one of the things that you have to prepare for. And once it starts to snowball, guess what? It really snowballs. Look at the indexes, right? Fulcrum Therapeutics is grinding. It's up 3.5. That's a decent stock actually. From a biotech standpoint, but it's very, very volatile. Marchex going sideways, not enough volume there. Anyway, SLI, here we go. This could be it. This could be SLI. I'm gonna double up the catch up here. Boom, we're going buy 50. Give me in there. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give me the good fill. Give me the good fill. I need a fill. Give me a fill. I sound like, I sound like a trader. when you're on a trading floor, that's exactly what it sounds like. Give me a good price. Give me a good fill. Give me in there. What's taking so long? I mean, that, and there's about a couple of F bombs and S bombs for sure. Curve has just gone positive, up 1%. Very nice to see Curve. CURV, if you did not know, it's a decent stock. SLI not clear the tower. We're in for $390, and come on, it has stalled out. It has stalled out, boys and girls, and we're still looking for that one more rocket. 3 minutes left. BGI is not it. It's a grinder. It's going sideways. TSP could be it. It could turn down at any time. Let me look through here really quickly. Come on. Give me. Oh, what was that one? That's the SLI. So maybe the SLI is still printing. We'll see what it does. I just think it's printing a lot slower, if you know what I mean. So we're moving. Give me one more player. Come on. What was that one? JFU. JFU FU, because you pulled back. You did a pivot in the pullback, bro. Trying to head fake me. I didn't take the bait though. Moving through here. God, we're going fast now. What was that one? Gray may clear. Gray may clear. I'm gonna go gray here just really quick. I got nothing else. And I need to. It's Gray Bug. I think we saw him yesterday. Didn't we? We're down $1.40. Now if I can get a good fill here and hang on, I gotta hang on here. We got. It's wheel exactly 1 minute. Give me the fill. Come on. Oh, it's did it pull back? It pulled back a little bit. The Bears are gonna win that one, I think. Can I get a positive day? What is up? I think I just missed one, but I'm gonna continue to move down here. I need a positive fill on that one. We got 1 minute left. Did not get the SLI has turned back. Gray Bug, I did get a fill. SLI, I gotta close you out anyway. Damn it, SLI. We're so close. We were so close. All right, it's all up to you, Gray Bug. Give me, what is the chart looking like? We've got a start of a red candle. We have a red wick. SLI is done. We're down $2. We are almost back to even now. Gray Bug is back to even. The Bulls are winning this one. We're up 25 cents. We're just going to continue to watch this one. Come on. Give me. I need $1.65 to get back to even. Come on, Gray. Come on. We just went. Did we just go after hours? And we did. Damn it. All right. I did not. $1.40. It'll still climb after hours. Clearly, Webull trades it after hours. So I would probably get back to even, and I'd still see how far it could go. But typically in after hours, it is done. Damn it. So I finished the day down $1.40. I was up $24, and then we had a big down in. It wasn't, SLI was a bad one, but ADV or ADTX went down 14, and that really hurt. So damn it. Turn the chart. What's up, TikTok? Glad you're here. Hopefully you. We had it was pretty exciting, even though I made no money, right? Do you like the blue shirt's nice, and it's not navy. It's actually a bright blue. It's like a Superman blue, but I don't feel like that right now for sure. All right, we'll on TikTok, you guys hang on and say goodbye to my guys. Watts, thanks for being here. It's been a pleasure. Have a great weekend, Jared. As always, making fun of me. Sir yawns a lot. I yawned literally 10 times in YOLO Hour. Don't know why. Well, I do know why. Had a very, very late night, if you know what I mean. I even drank coffee on the way home. And yeah, when you're drinking coffee on the way home, that's a problem. So that was my night last night. I'm not going to tell you what time I got in because, you shouldn't be staying out that late. You really shouldn't. Nothing happens after that time, and you know what time that is. All right, Jared, thank you very much, buddy. Always a pleasure. Walker, appreciate you being here again. Congrats on the XI. In fact, how did CCXI end up? Let's look. Did the short one out? Ooh. I think you won a little bit, Walker, if you're still here. I think, but you could tell me, but it looks like you. If you put the short on, I would bet you. Let me look at this in CCXI. Let's look what it's doing. Good God, it was a clearly a pumping number. Clearly a Reddit stock. The RSI is still high. It ended up, what's it doing in after hours? It's down in after hours. So I would bet you on Monday, Walker, you are going to be feeling really good about that short. So, funny though, the reason it pumped was because they got upgrades from Raymond James, Piper, and Stifel, all of them, with one price tag between 62. One price tag has got 107 on XXCI. That's crazy. So clearly that's good because it went up 100% today. It was at 20, went to 40 plus, and then dropped back to 38.41. So Walker, thank you very much. Lewis, thank you very much. If you have any more questions, now is the time to ask. If not, have a great weekend. I appreciate you guys being on the YouTube. TikTok, you can find us on the YouTube at Wall Street Sizing Up. So with that said, I'm going to say goodbye to my YouTube guys. Again, have a great weekend, guys. I appreciate you guys being here. A lot of you have supported me on YouTube for going on 3 months, as long as we've been doing YOLO, and I really appreciate that. So with that being said, watch your six. You go hard to paint. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you